In this video, we're diving into how to use ShopWired for product variants. If you've ever struggled with setting up and managing different product options like size, color, or style, this video will break down exactly how to do that in ShopWired. Stick around, because by the end, I'll reveal an alternative that could better suit your needs for managing variants, especially if you're after something a bit more flexible. First things first, let's talk about what product variants are in the context of ShopWired. Product variants are different versions of the same product, like a t-shirt in multiple sizes or colors. They let you provide options without creating a whole new listing for each variation. Now, how do you set up these variants? The process is fairly straightforward, but it's key to follow each step to make sure it's done correctly. From your ShopWired admin panel, navigate to the product you want to add variants to. In the product details section, you'll see an option to add product variants. This is where the magic happens. You can select attributes like size, color, material, etc. Next thing to keep in mind is how to manage your inventory. Once your variants are set up, you'll need to keep track of stock levels for each one. For instance, if you have a product in size medium, large, and extra large, you can set stock quantities for each variant. This is important for keeping your store updated and preventing overselling. The third thing we'll discuss is how to price your variants. In ShopWired, you can set individual prices for each variant. So, if you're offering different versions of a product at different prices, say a larger size or a premium color option, you can set those up right here. Now, let's talk about customization. One of the benefits of ShopWired is how flexible it is when it comes to customizing the options for your variants. You can add custom drop-downs, color swatches, and other interactive elements to give your customers a better shopping experience. Next, let's discuss how to display these variants on your product page. This is crucial because you want your customers to be able to easily find and choose their preferred options. ShopWired lets you choose how to display the variant options on your product page, either as a drop-down list or as clickable swatches. It's a nice touch to make the shopping experience smoother for your customers. The fifth thing to consider is the compatibility with your theme. While ShopWired offers some customization, not every theme might be perfect out of the box for variant options. You may need to tweak things a little to get it looking exactly how you want. Fortunately, ShopWired offers helpful support if you run into any design issues. Finally, while ShopWired does a solid job handling product variants, you might find that there are other platforms out there that offer even more powerful tools for managing product options, especially if you're scaling your business. That's why, at the end of this video, I'll share some alternatives that might offer a better solution for your specific goals. Now, here's the best part. I've got an exclusive offer for you. Through the link in the description, you'll get an extended free trial of ShopWired, along with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. But I also want to give you a heads up about some amazing alternatives that might suit your needs even better. These platforms also come with free trials, and I'll walk you through why they might be a better fit for you. Make sure to check out the link below for more details and grab your exclusive free trial.